Blood transfusion. Introduction. Which one of the following is not a blood type? Choose one of the following options. 1. A positive. 2. B negative. 3. O positive. 4. C negative. Correct. You may be able to use your own blood for a blood transfusion. Select true or false. Correct. You can donate blood a few weeks before the surgery during a couple of visits. This is called an autologous blood transfusion. Your blood is usually stored in a blood bank. In many countries, blood banks screen all donated blood for HIV. Select true or false. Correct. In many countries, blood banks screen all donated blood for HIV. Thank you for using Explain.